Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hepshan Abjit Muli. Today's date is 26th of November and 2021, and today's our Viva topic is discussion about the abstraction, what it means. So before starting our today's discussion topic, firstly I will introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Tatre Muli. I am from Kalam district Usmanabad. I had completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from J. Thrasini College of Engineering and Management, Wagholi, Pune, and also completed diploma in Swedish College of Engineering and Polytechnic, Pandharpur. That's all about me. So now we will talk about today's discussion topic, that is the discussion about the abstraction. So firstly we will see what is an abstraction. Means in abstraction the actual working is hidden and only the implementation is shown in the abstraction, that is in the abstract class. Means in an abstract class there are abstract method are present, that is the only the implementation of that method is shown in an abstract class, but its actual working is not shown in that abstract class. So we can in an abstract class we can achieve an abstraction from 0% to the 100%, because it may or may not be present an abstract method in the abstract class. Means there may be a concrete method is also present in an abstract class. So because of that we can achieve an abstraction from 0 to 100%. If there is no any method, that is the abstract method is present in an abstract class, then we can achieve 0% abstraction. But all the methods are present in an abstract class are abstract methods, that is its working is not shown or it is not having any body in an abstract class. At that time we can achieve abstraction is 100%. So now we will see about the second way of achieve an abstraction, that is the by using an interface. In an interface we can achieve 100% abstraction. Means in an interface all the methods present inside the interface are totally abstract method. Means there is no any concrete method is present in the interface. So now we will see about that two keyword, that is the first one is the extend keyword and second one is the abstract, that is the implement keyword. So if we talk about an abstraction, then there is an inheritance concept will become. Means that abstract class must be extended by the child class, because to show the working of that abstract method in the in that class which is the child class. That's why that extend keyword is used to extend that abstract class. If we can extend that abstract class, then all the methods present in that abstract class will be implemented or will have the created body inside that child class which is extended to that abstract class. So that's why that extend keyword is used to extend the abstract class. Now we will see about that implement keyword. So implement keyword is used for an interface. Means in an interface the all methods present are abstract methods at that time. So for extending that all methods, that interface is extended by that child class by using an implement keywords. Means if we can if that class, that is a child class, we implement that particular interface, then we can create all the methods, that is abstract methods inside that class which is extended, which extends that an interface, because by using that we can show the working of that abstract method inside that class by using that implement keywords to implement that interface. So now we will see some of the meaning of that extend and implements keyword. Their meaning is the class will extend to the class, the interface will extend to the interface, but the class will implement to that interface. There is somewhat typical meaning of that extend and interface, that is the implement keyword. So that's all about today's video topic, that is an abstraction. Thank you.